In this chapter, we are talking about lot of phenomena taking place because of the interplay between the particle and the light rays. We have discussed about the reflection, refraction, atmospheric refraction. Then another thing is scattering of light. That also happens because of the interplay between the particles and the light rays. In the process of scattering, the light gets spread out. This happens because of the colloidal particle. Now, what is a colloidal particle? These are the particles which are little bigger in size. Okay, if we talk about the true solution, like if we mix the salt in the water, it's a true solution. Salt particles are almost comparable to the size of the water molecules. But if we talk about a colloidal solution, like the soap solution in the water, soap in the water solution, here the size of the particles in the solution are little bigger in size. So in this case, what happens? The light spreads out because of these colloidal particles, and that is known as scattering of light. So now here what is happening? If we talk about scattering, we can say it is reflection only. Each single particle, when it is comparable to the size, is reflecting the light. It will not happen in the case of true solution because the size of the particle is very, very small. Scattering of light can be seen clearly when a light ray passes through a non-colloidal solution and a colloidal solution. Non-colloidal solution is like the mixture of salt and water, where the particles of salt are very small or they are almost of the same size of the water particles. But in the case of colloidal solution, like the solution of water and milk, the particles in the mixture of milk and water are relatively larger. They give rise to the phenomena of scattering of light. What happens in the scattering? In the scattering of light, actually each single particle is reflecting the light in different directions. So that's why you can see the light ray passing through there. So if it is the colloidal particle, it will reflect the light ray in different direction. Because of the scattering, because of the diffused reflection of the light ray by the colloidal particle, we can see the light ray passing through a colloidal solution. This is known as the Tyndall Effect. This effect is responsible for the visibility of the light rays in a dark room through a window. Because of the dust particle present there, they scattered the light around and we can see the path of the light rays. Similarly, the light rays are visible through the canopy of the dense forest. That is again because of scattering of the light waves by the tiny mist particles present in the air there.